chance. Good evening. We begin with breaking news. A tornado has touched down north of Calgary and residents are being warned to take cover.
How to prepare for a tornado.
When preparing for a tornado video, you need a safety kit like this, also including crackers so this food won't spoil quickly, water of course, a battery flashlight, a radio that runs off of batteries so you can be always alert, and an emergency cell phone just in case anything happens.
When alerted by a tornado, stay calm, but also alert. Most deaths occur when people are not calm and they do not know what's going on around them. When a tornado is about to happen, you and your family should always have a meeting place just in case you got lost. Your meeting place should be at ground level just like this. When a tornado is about to hit, you should always get in the stance of covering your head and your spinal cord just in case you got hurt.
Follow all these steps and there's a possibility that you will survive the tornado. 5 important facts about a tornado. Number 1. Tornadoes can happen at any time of the day. They normally occur around 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. The most strongest and most powerful tornadoes normally happen in the United States. Number 2.
The most powerful tornadoes occur in the U.S.
3. Tornadoes have been reported in every state in the U.S., also as well as every season of the year. 4.
You need to step on the pedal of a car past 70 miles per hour to outrun the fastest tornadoes.
5. Tornadoes are one of the most deadliest natural disasters that have ever occurred.